Hello students, today we are going to discuss the connection of three-phase transformer and vector graph. Okay, so winding of the transformer can be connected in star or in delta. So primary winding can be connected in star or delta, and the secondary winding can also be connected in star or delta. So four type of connection are possible. First is star star, second is delta delta, third is delta star, and fourth one is star delta. In addition to this, the secondary winding can also be connected in zigzag. In this, it is necessary to have the two identical secondary winding in each secondary phase. Now the primary winding can be connected either in star or delta, so there are two more types of connection. First is delta zigzag, and second one is star zigzag. Here a typo error, only 6 point is star zigzag. Okay, so basically six type of connection of the three-phase transformer as per the primary and secondary: star star, delta delta, delta star, star delta, delta zigzag, and star zigzag. So different vector group are formed as per the Indian standard. Okay, so in which the phase displacement is indicated by the figure of the clock. So what is vector group? The transformer vector group show the phase difference between the primary and secondary side of the transformer. It also determines the high voltage and low voltage winding arrangement of the three-phase transformers. The three-phase transformer is connected in various ways. Okay, on the basis of connection, the vector group of the transformer is determined. So this vector group three-phase transformer is divided in four main categories. Okay, according to the phase difference between the corresponding line voltage and the high voltage side of the high voltage side and the low voltage side. Okay, so we can say primary and secondary, or the high voltage and low voltage side of the transformer windings. So voltage sides, there are four groups. Group number 1, no phase displacement. Group number 2, 180-degree phase displacement. Group number 3, minus 30-degree phase displacement, and group number 4 is plus 30-degree phase displacement. Let us see how. So first we saw the 0-degree phase displacement, group number 1. That means the primary and secondary winding has a phase displacement of 0. That means at 12 o'clock. Okay, so we can say the phase displacement is 0. This is the category of the 1. Okay, vector group of 2, here primary and secondary has a phase displacement of minus 30 degree. That means कि secondary winding is leg 30 degree from the primary winding. So here as we reference 12 as a reference, so 30-degree leg, that means clockwise direction at a 1. Okay, so this is the group of the minus 30-degree phase shift, and third is plus 30-degree phase shift. That means the secondary winding is 30-degree lead by the primary winding. So 12 is a reference, so our pointer is clock at a clock 11. Same in 180-degree phase shift, the primary and secondary both are opposite to each other. That means as a 12 is a reference, so another clock direction at pointer is at a 6. So the four hand of the clock represent the phase shift between the primary and secondary voltage. That means these are the four vector group of the transformer. So from this we can categorize totally for is a 12 connection of the transformer. So here group number 1, 2, 3 and 4 represent phase displacement, as we know, 0 degree, 180 degree, minus 30 degree and plus 30 degree. So as per the clock, at 0 degree we can say the 0 clock, at 12 we can say 0. Okay, at 180 degree the clock pointer at 6. Okay, so clock number is 6, at minus 30 clock number at 1, and at plus 30 clock number at 11. So primary we can also connect star star, delta delta, delta zigzag. Okay, so a vector group we can made here, vector symbol we can made star star at a 0, so y0. Okay, so primary winding denoted and capital, so capital Y, and secondary winding denoted in a small, so small y that means star connection, and d that means delta connection. So from the 0 group, star star can 0, delta delta dd 0, delta zigzag dz 0. Same as second group, star star 180 degree phase displacement, that means yy 6, delta delta 6, that means dd 6, delta zigzag 6, that means dz 6. For the third group, delta star minus 30 degree, that means 1. Okay, so dy 1, yd1, yz1. Same as for the plus 30 degree 11, so dy 11, yd 11, and yz11. So this each connection we will see in the next lecture, video lectures. Okay, thank you guys.